Hey everyone, we're Lance Fantasy Gaming. It's a vlogging series for the week. Hope everyone's ready for Thanksgiving next week and getting stuff done. I have at least 2 weeks and a half of left of school. The spring starts mid of January. I have to finish one of my friend's book. I need to do a good review on it, do a podcast with them. It's just that finals is kicking my ass. Even though you think my finals that I'm taking it's easy for machinist, no, I gotta name all the freaking parts, and also all each different parts do, and there's like hundreds of different little parts that it's just fucking that is memorization for me is very difficult, but I think I'll get through, especially if I'm using the same machine all the time. So I did take it apart for a bit, not much of it, but learning the names kind of helps when you're actually taking the thing apart and putting it back together. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and a couple things. We are almost done with the Eldar paints. After the Crusaders Part 2 is done, we have 3 more left of the Eldars. And all my Eldars are done. As you can see, you know, they're looking pretty damn good, in my opinion. Eldars, you don't know, it's Warhammer 40k, they're just space elves. We got a lot of D&D stuff done as well. From the Yeti, we got the Polar Werewolf. I got some questions that I will read towards the end of the video that you guys sent for comments and so forth. Um, but yeah, we are almost done with the Eldars. After the Eldars done, I want to finish up my Blood Angels. Then I want to move the Blood Angels. I might want to move into the finish up the old world orcs, or I'm going to do Age of Sigmar. I don't know yet how that is going to be. Slowly but maturely, I am chipping away my D&D paint. Um, Minis I have not been printing for a long time. I know there's a new printer coming in next month that I am going to test out. Is the M7 Pro Max. It's the same thing of my M3 Pro Max. Same base size. It's just not bigger, just newer. And I got it on the which is the pre sale. It's a lot cheaper. It's like $700. If you actually buy a brand new, I think it's like about a grand, 1,000 or more for it. But we are going to get that stuff done, get that set up, and get the garage cleaned up as well. Um, we are going to be doing live stream hopefully. I don't know if you guys wanted us to do Baldur's Gate 3 live stream with 3 other people, just multiplayer. Please leave down the comments if you guys do want to see that. If you do, it'll be like every Saturday, Friday night. We'll be basically playing it due to the fact everyone has their scheduling down, and we usually just play once a week for it. But we have, oops, ooh, I broke the base. Uh, my little Raven Claw. Yeah, I'm stoked. I am very stoked how all my painting is getting, all my video views are going. It's just one of those things. Pleases me. Slowly, steadily growing. The channel's growing in many ways. We got a lot of new faces. A lot of people asking questions. A lot of people are showing us their artwork, and that's a good bonus as well. Because I do love to see you guys' artwork. Well, that is trying. It gives me an idea how I want to paint my stuff as well, in many ways. But yeah, I'm going to try to get this thing done while I'm on camera. There we go. There you go. Little bit of glue. Well, heavy dollop of glue. Hold that thing down. Yeah, there isn't much going on. It's just me painting and a lot of stuff. But I was going to read your guys' comments. Let's get that started as well. So I'll be reading your comments. Let's start from top. This is a Warhammer Anime Girl proxy that's been done. Joven Falcon 6141. Where did you get the Ray model? I've been looking all over for one. I think was talking about. Where's my Ray one? There we go. It's from mini games. I put a link down for him. See if he gets it or not. But yeah, we got that. Sad Chef says garbage cringe. I ask why. I don't know why this hasn't been replied. I'm gonna have to reply that. Bro, that's amazing. Um, Thank you. From Titchin the Sad 2152. Looking for a steampunk hostile STL. Where can I find one? I give that Penske Patreon. There's also a lot in my mini factory. Uh, Luke Luke Crate does it has some cyberpunk one as well. I just don't know what kind you really want in the long run. Let's see here. Every Kellogg 3766. Hey, those minis are painted pretty good. Also, what kind did you say they are? I play Warhammer, but it gets so expensive, so I want to branch out. Uh, well, this one I printed was 3D Arch Villain, but yeah, you don't have to, collect Warhammer to play Warhammer. You can just print out proxy. Well, there's third party that sells miniatures that you can actually do proxy ones as well. Looks very good. The figure looks amazing and Warhammer style. Stark would be cool. Yeah, it would if the person made it. Yeah, Farron is going to be added to my this one right here. Will be added to my Eldar. I got some towels that I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna make my towel army. I know it's gonna be a lot of mech suits, and I'm gonna probably use the Gundam style painting colors on it as well. Happy Election Day from Brakawaka 2813. I might print some of the Heroes Infinite models. They seem very unique. Yes, Heroes Infinite are very unique and they are really cool. If you want very good Warhammer proxies, they have it pretty much all, everything that you really need. It is pricey if you haven't got it on Patreon. It is pricey to buy it out of Patreon, but they can also 3D print for you and send it to you as well. See our oversized being, classic step sibling, and the washer. The ring, the ring girl next. Yeah, the ring girl. I got a lot of kind of weird comments about it. It's like she's a child. I'm like it's just 3D printed, and that person who actually played it was actual adult in the Japanese one. The American version it was a child, but now it's a child's adult. So it's just really weird. No wonder why everybody wants to die. The ring girl's done. I don't understand that. Okay. She is 12 though for Roman F6G. So your average water enjoyer. Give me a look. But yeah, thanks for the share of my Vulture Queen. It is from Jan H. Sculpt, inspired by Simon Baisley artwork. There isn't too much details in the feathers, and the other side it is smooth, so I had to improvise, added the feather texture, so a lot of the lines are hand painted. I did have help with the airbrush first for the base uh, gradients, though the legs is texture already. I used static grass applicator for the grass on the base. I spent long model prep, then paint, but it didn't take a week. I started last Friday and finished Sunday night with some honeydews, probably prep, probably to several days, but I have also prepared a few models along with it. I am a paint hoarder. I have fully set of green stuff world, pro acrylic, Adams from Ammo by MIG, some Vallejo, some Scale 75, a few lacquers, enamels, oil, pigment powders. I wish I have like majority of this, but I really don't. I got some new every so often. I have decent paying job back and forth, stuff like this. Like you, I use a GI Bill, but I got a degree in mechanical engineer. I was in the Marines. Yeah, yeah. Do you thank you for your service? Air Force, Chair Force all the way. But yeah, I think that'll be it. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.